November 2025, Europe Risk Watch. Welcome to this new investigative video. Today, we uncover facts that matter for Europe's digital future. Stay with us, because governance is not a detail, it's the foundation of trust.
My name is Jinwoo Lee, investigative journalist with Europe Risk Watch. This is a follow-up message to Mr. Zhang Ping'an, CEO of Huawei Cloud, and to all decision-makers watching. Weeks after our first video, Huawei has remained silent. In Europe's digital economy, silence is not governance. It's a risk. Our first investigation revealed a European startup destroyed by Huawei Cloud failures, automated account blocking, misleading geolocation messages, and unanswered GDPR requests. Huawei Cloud in Europe is operated by Sparkoo Technology in Ireland, where governance appears weak. This is where the problem started, and where accountability remains unclear. Today, we raise new questions. Why do Huawei Cloud's terms allow data transfers to China? Who ensures compliance in Europe? And what is the real role of Sparkoo Technology, the company operating Huawei Cloud in Ireland, where governance appears weak? These questions remain unanswered. Governance is not optional. Huawei's leadership in China and Mr. Zhang Ping'an as CEO of Huawei Cloud must clarify. How do you guarantee European law is respected? How do you prevent strategic risks for SMEs and public infrastructure? Silence is not an answer. Accountability is. In November, Huawei showcased its new e-kit for SMEs at the Madrid event. 4 scenarios: smart office, commerce, education, healthcare. 10 integrated solutions and 26 products, promising simplicity and trust. But Europe needs more than promises. Under GDPR and the EU Data Act, Huawei and Sparkoo Technology must provide evidence that governance is strong and data stays in Europe. Is Huawei's 5G strategy and Sparkoo Technology the hidden Trojan horse for Europe's digital sovereignty? What about the abandoned 5G factory in France? What about corruption investigations in the European Parliament? These questions remain unanswered. Europe, wake up and protect our entrepreneurs. The time to act is now. Europe, wake up and protect our entrepreneurs. Young generation, innovators, SMEs, stand up for your rights. Digital sovereignty is not a slogan, it's survival. The time to act is now.